Hello everyone. I'm Chris Casey Parkelnud from grade 11 Humsor. Now, are you questioning yourself? Are you having personal problems? Personal feelings that you want to have a safe space for? A place to gain clarity and personal mental health improved. Today, I am going to interview a counselor, the profession in which someone listens to you, gives you a safe space, and listens with no judgment. Hello everyone, it is me again, Chris Casey, and I am with LJ and our very own counselor, Kuya Kyle. Now, Kuya Kyle, I'd like to ask you, what is your full name and your educational attainment for pursuing counseling?
So, I am Kyle Darrell De Olivo, your future aspirant as counselor. So, as aspiring counselor, so my attainment is sadly AVM, but I know that I can pursue counseling.
Now, I'd like to ask you about 10 questions regarding counseling. So first, what made you choose counseling for a profession in the future?
So I choose counseling to be a profession in future because I believe that all students need my help. Our community needs my help. Kailangan ta sa atong community. Not dili lang sa school, because we all know that the cases of depression, anxiety, especially the students' hard time being burnt out and stress sa atong mga schools, is dili na gid makontrol ang pag-rise. So as a student na makakita sa mga issue, so akong gina-pursue ang counseling as my future profession to help students.
Yeah, okay po. So, how do you usually help someone who is going through a hard time?
So I usually help someone enduring hard times, right? So I am not giving some advice, because our advices is just our opinion or experiences in life. But I will give them the best option that they can do. Option A, bad, and B, option B is good. So, ato sa tagag option sa bad and good. So, we cannot give some advices. Kaya base na tong advices ma-turn to bias. Diba? So, and also, kung magkatagtag choices, kabalo ang bata and mandependent siya kung asa siya dapat mulakaw sa iyang kaugalingon. So, taga na to siya og right decision sa iyang life.
Okay. So, why do you think counseling is important for students and young people?
So, counseling is important to young people because we all know that teenagers are emotional. So, emotional gid kayo mga teenagers, di ba? Especially as atong mga edad karon, pag first pa lang start sa early stage sa adolescence, which is 13 years old, until sa karon, atong stage 18 years old, 9 years old, is emotional gid kay ta. We need to seek professional help. That's why counseling, diya din mo sulat itong counseling dayon to help students, right? To have better or right decision in their lives.
So, how do social issues like a family problem or peer pressure affect a person's mental health?
So it will really affect someone's mental health because we all know that especially teenagers are emotional. So sila maka-cope up sa mga big problems, like for example peer pressure sa ilang mga ka-peers at school, for example, and also especially to family breakups. So we can help them by listening to them, to have psychological first aid. At we will give them that so that makabaluta sila problems and kabaluta kung sa itong pwede mahatag na options na pwede nila mabuhat sa life. Because again, atong vision na rin mission is to make students decisions right.
So, what skills do you think that a good counselor should have?
So a good skills that a counselor should have is the skill nga to listen. Because not all times ka sige ka bitaw mo siyang ginatupag tagan mo siya response or advice. Not all the time mo siya taganod nga na. Basin ang kailangan na din sa bata is someone nga pwede niya makapaminaw siya ha. But again, also, after sa talk, pwede ta magatag og some options nga kuan gid para kuan bitaw like dili siya makaduog bad things or bad methods nga pwede niya mabuhat because of that pressure or stress or pinaka-worst is the anxiety or depression.
So, how do you make clients feel comfortable opening up during counseling?
Akong way is to make my area as clean as possible and the vibes sa akong room is calm and hindi ka siya nga naka-strict. I will also make them na comfortable when they talk sa kuha. So, especially sa, like for example, labay may duwa because we need to have relationship with our atong mga students sa school. Kay we all know that students are afraid to teachers, right? So we should have relationship to them. We will make them realize na it's okay pala nga mo adto sa mga counselors. Dili di ay ingana di ka kuan di ay kahadlok madugol o professional. So ingana siya. So we're making all students na comfortable sila nga mosulod sa atong example counseling area.
So how does counseling help not just individuals but also the community or the society?
Yes, it will not only help individual but also community. Because let's imagine, what if 3 out of 10 students in Kauswagan, Cagayan de Oro City is experiencing depression or anxiety na di ay, then there's no counselor nga nasa palibot. So ato siyang ununaon na if naay isa sila ato nga naibuhato na wrongdoings like suicidal, big impact na sa community like ay nga na din sa community din nila di ay walay professional help or basin nagkulang or basin ang bata kay kuan bitaw wala siya na orient og tarong sana nga barangay. And also to individual nga naka-experience na especially wala sila kabalo kung silang ginabuhat pa kung daotan ba or maayo.
Okay, thank you, Kuya. So, ladies and gentlemen, counseling is a place for someone to listen to you. Counselors are heroes of our mental health. And I'd like to thank Kuya Kyle for helping us with this interview. And we have a token of appreciation, but we will not video it for privacy. Okay, thank you and bye-bye.